guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it is Wellness Sunday and I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my February wellness box or essential rewards order from Young Living. So if that's what you guys are interested in, then keep watching. Alright guys, so this month's box is a lot smaller than the box I got last month because this doesn't contain an entire diffuser set and starter kit. So instead, what I was wanting to do is I was wanting to order a lot of products that we have been running out of around the house that I did not want to buy, duplicates of because of the toxin content and all of the things that I've recently the windows got open and the light just shone in on all of these things that we've been hiding around our house. So the first thing that I'll show you guys is the oils. So this month I only got two oils in, or two essential oils in. So the first one, if I can get them out. Alright, well these are my two oils. The first one that I wanted to talk about is Valor. Now I've been hearing so many amazing things about this oil and just, it seems to be a favorite of so many people's. So actually people talk about how great it smells too, and I really want to... Ooh, wow. That smell... Okay, so it's got blue tansy in there. It reminds me of being out camping actually in the springtime. Yeah, wow, that smells really good. But they call this one Liquid Courage. It's what this one is referred to a lot. Whenever you're feeling kind of like you need some bravery, which will help with me a lot because I'm trying to get better at public speaking and to not be so shy about it. So I feel like Valor is something that will really help with that for me. Also, another interesting thing that I've heard, I can't testify with this since I haven't tried it yet, but I've heard that it can also provide support for spinal alignment and a lot of different nerve related things. So yeah, do a little research on that. It's pretty interesting actually. This one, especially when it's paired with peppermint, it can really support your bone structure and your spine and the nerves and everything. So yeah, definitely a good one to get this time. So that's Valor. And then this month I got for free, it was a promo, I got clove. So actually off the top of my head, since I'm still learning all of these oils, I can't think of, or I can't remember what I heard clove was good with. But I know that I've used clove in cooking before and as a spice and everything. And since this is part of the Vitality line, meaning it's got the white label versus this purple label here. The reason why the oils from Young Living would have a white label is because you can use it in cooking and it's meant for ingestion. So they also have a blend for clove that's not meant for ingestion too. And yeah, I think it's a brown label. So if anything else, I'm going to put this in our dinner. Alright guys, so those are the only oils that I got this month. Now there were a couple things that were, okay, I lied. We'll talk about this one. So they're the only essential oils I got. I also got, there's a little pump for it, maybe that gives it away, a massage oil. So I like to get massage oils a lot because I don't use just regular lotion. Which actually I'm gonna smell this. I can't not. I don't use just regular lotion. I like to, for the past 3 or 4 years actually, I've mostly just used oils to moisturize my face and my body after showers and stuff like that. Which I'm having a problem with this lid, so we're just going to forget smelling it. You guys can keep up with me on Instagram and stuff if you guys want, and I'll show you, or I'll let you guys know what I think of this one. But this one is called Sensation by Young Living. It's got ylang ylang, coriander, bergamot. Is that weird? Did I say that weird? Jasmine oil, olive oil, sweet almond, and geranium flower. So yeah, massage oil, because who doesn't like getting a massage from their husband? And who doesn't like moisturizing with things that aren't crap going into our skin? I actually did a little bit of, side note, I actually did a little bit of digging through my my product stash, and I tossed even more stuff into my toxin box. So yeah, I was just thinking that our skin is our largest organ of our bodies, and it doesn't make sense. Like, I don't know why it has never clicked before. All of these things that you expose your skin to, like, gets absorbed into your body, and it's just crazy. I read some things like about the toxins that you are exposed to every day are found within your bloodstream within minutes, and don't quote me on the exact science and everything behind that, but it's just so crazy, or your body really absorbs it. So yeah, we're going with this kind of stuff and making my own lotions and not going with that store-bought stuff anymore. So these are the last things that I got this month, and I keep saying how excited I am. I'm just excited, I'm excited. But it's true. So what we needed around the house were some shampoo and body wash. We ran out, or I was like using the last few drops, and thankfully these just came in the mail. So yeah, no more dry shampoo, at least for a few days. Okay, so the ones that I got are Copaiba. I said it wrong in my last video. It's Copaiba Vanilla Shampoo and Conditioner. Now, I'm not even going to lie to you guys. These three, and I got my husband Shutron 3-in-1 men's wash. So these are all of our hygiene, like, washing products that we're going to need. And not even going to lie to you, each bottle was like 30-something bucks. Holy crap, guys. That is expensive, right? I just was so blown away at the price of these. But then I did a little bit of research. Found out a way to make all of these three things last so much longer and actually be cheaper than what I would buy in the store. Yeah, so I'm going to be doing a separate little video on that. But basically, what I was spending before was, it was like Love and Planet or something, and it's like a vegan shampoo. It was I found it at Target, I think, but I was spending somewhere around $5-6, so that's already $10 for 2 bottles, which are, these are 10 ounces. The ones that I bought were 13 ounces, so you get a little bit more with those, but you're spending almost $6 each for both of those. So, you know, so that's half the price of these. And with how I'm going to be using these, I'm probably going to get about, I don't know, at least 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm probably going to get like 5 bottles from each of these. So you do the math on that. But yeah, so that's what I got this month, you guys. If you have any questions on any of the products or Young Living in general, and you're interested in starting the process to a toxin-free lifestyle, then please let me know. I would love to help you out. I am still really new to this. Obviously, there are a lot of things I don't know, but what I don't know, I guarantee that somebody in my team is going to know. Our team is one of the fastest growing teams because we all really take care of each other, and I am really aiming for that first promotion here, and I'm just so excited, and I want all of my friends and everybody to hop on this train and to join me, because things like this are just so much more fun when you have friends that are doing it with you. And yeah, but because of the nature of MLMs, I don't want to be pushing at people, but really, you guys need to do this with me. So yeah, that's all I've got today. So thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If you like this kind of content, be sure you subscribe, because every Sunday I'm releasing a new wellness related video having to do with wellness. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye-bye.